Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV, and today we're showing you these zipperless upper doors from Tusk for the Honda Talon 1000 two-seater. All right, everyone, thank you so much for checking in. Today we're showing you what is one of my personal favorite accessories when it comes to inclement and cold weather riding your side-by-side, and it's these zipperless upper doors from Tusk. If you're trying to enclose your cab as much as possible to beat the cold weather, you know, here in Utah today, it's sub 40 degrees. And in those temperatures, if you got a lot of wind flow coming in the cab, it's not that fun, you know, it gets pretty cold. Or maybe you ride a lot in rainy conditions or even in dust. Trying to keep as much dust out of the cab is also really important. And so when it comes to enclosing your cab, on this Honda Talon, we've got our full glass windshield, we've got the rear glass window from Tusk, we've got the OEM roof, and now you slap on these zipperless upper doors, you enclose the cab, and it makes such a big difference. Coming out here today, you know, we're doing 40 miles an hour and in sub 40 degrees. Normally you'd be freezing in those temps, but with these doors installed, you get very, very little air coming into the cab. And again, that goes for rainy conditions as well, or even dusty conditions. It's gonna keep a lot of that bad weather out. Now with these, here's a couple features we love. Just like the name says, zipperless. That means there's no zippers that are gonna get dirty that you have to worry about. The way these work is very simple. You've got magnets that go along the roof as well as the front of the roll cage, and then you have snaps here along the bottom. So no zippers you have to worry about. Another great benefit to these with those magnets, super easy to get in and out of your machine. When you wanna get in, you simply just press right here in the corner, it falls inside, you get in, and then you just pop it back in place. So very easy to get in and out. Also the versatility. If there's gonna be a situation where maybe you don't want the doors up, well, you just roll them up, and then there's some Velcro straps here in the back that you use to secure the door in place. And then when you're ready to use again, you just unroll it, put it in place, voila, you're good to go. So that's awesome. Another benefit too is the install process. Super easy and quick to install these. Like I said, it's gonna work just with the OEM roof, so something to remember, but you install the magnets across the roof. You've got some magnets here with this aluminum panel that will come included with clamps for the roll cage, a couple magnets in the front. You get those magnets installed, and then you basically just let the door hang, and then you mark where you're gonna install these snaps, and once you've done that, that's it. So it's a very simple process anyone can do from their own home. The way these are made, you have a heavy duty canvas around the outside, you've got the vinyl window, and also too that, you know, over time if these start to get a little bit beat up and you wanna get some new panels on there, you can buy just the replacement panels. You don't have to worry about buying another one of these aluminum pieces here for the front. Now, last thing I will tell you real quick before we let you go is that when it comes to transportation, we do recommend if you're transporting your machine on a trailer to roll the windows up and have them in the stowed position. But like I said, if you have a Honda Talon 1000 two-seater and you want to get more comfort in cold weather, whether it's the rain or even dusty conditions when it's hot in the summertime, this is hands down one of the best ways to do it. So to grab yours today, click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We do make these for a lot of different makes and models, so if you have friends that are maybe looking to do the same thing, let them know about these zipperless upper doors. Enter the year, make, and model on the product page. That will ensure that you get the proper fitment. As always, we ship for free over 75 bucks. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, and I will always keep you up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.